Dear woman of God, you are seen, you are loved, you are chosen. Take a moment today to speak these biblical affirmations over your life, because God's word is truth, and His truth sets you free. Psalm 139:14. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. You are not a mistake. You were handcrafted by the Creator of heaven and earth with beauty, intention, and love. Proverbs 31:2. I am clothed with strength and dignity. You don't have to fear the future. God has equipped you with inner strength, grace, and courage. Jeremiah 31:3. I am loved with an everlasting love. Even when the world forgets your worth, God never does. His love never fades. Colossians 3:12. I am chosen, holy, and dearly loved. You are not overlooked. You are handpicked by God, wrapped in mercy, and deeply cherished. Romans 8:37. I am more than a conqueror through Him who loves me. No matter what comes your way, heartbreak, fear, rejection, through Jesus you are victorious. 1 Corinthians 2:16. I have the mind of Christ. You are not defined by anxiety or self-doubt. You have wisdom, clarity, and divine perspective. Psalm 46:5. God is within me. I will not fall. When everything around you is shaking, remember, you have a solid foundation in God. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. From motherhood to ministry, from career to calling, God's strength empowers your every step. Speak these truths daily. Let them settle in your spirit. You are not just a woman, you are a daughter of the King. You are powerful, purposeful, and poised for impact. Now go walk in that truth today, beloved. Thank you so much for watching and joining us in prayer today. If this video blessed you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. May God continue to cover you in His love and peace. See you in the next one.